He died for me on Calvary just because He loves me so. Wangifela Calvary, ngobe ngithandile ngobe He died for me, He died for me, He died for me on Calvary, just because He loves me. Leyo nto nje kafishane, Jesu wangifela, uJesu wangifela, ngobe ngithandile yena. Awubazalwane ngiyacela nje kafishane, He died for me on Calvary, khona bashana, He died for me on Calvary, just because He loves. For the last time, wangifela uJesu wangifela yena, ngobe ngithandile, inamadoshande daba, ngobe ngithandile ngoba wona mandeshane. Simshalele izandla uNkulunkulu, let's give God the head of praise. Ake simshalele izandla uJesu, yena wafa wavuka ngenxa yethu. He died for us, wasithanda, wasinakekela, wafa endaweni yethu. He's worth of all praise, He's worth of all praise. His name is Jesus, His name is Jesus. Koda mandesha, kodi bashande, fanele uduma hayi, sibongo zonke zikufanele. Ukusithandile Nkosi, wasifela, wafa endaweni yethu, wasinakekela. We give you praise, Eda Shadia. He died for us, Eda. Kakhulu ngithoba, ngiyabingelela wa Bishop. Bingelele Bishop, simshaleni izandla. Sibingelela befundisi bonke, nomama befundisi. Bingelela abazalwane abathe bama la. Ngize ngafisa ukuba badedele mina kuqala, ngoba manje sebesho konke, but kunalento esenhlizweni yami ethi our God after the delay, uNkulunkulu wethu emva kokubambezeleka, uNkulunkulu wethu emva kokubambezeleka, our God after the delay. Ezinye izinto azifela ukuthi zonke izinto ebezisibambile bese yena vele. Ezinye izinto ayifele ukuthi ake ngisho, ngiyamkhumbula lithi iBhayibheli uJesu wayomngani kaLazarus, and uLazarus uke wagula. uJesu wayithola ireport ukuthi umngane wakho lo mthandayo uyagula. Ngixakwa uJesu ewumngani noLazaro ukuthi udeleyiswa yini kugula umhlobo wakhe. Ikhona abazalwane, ngixakwa uJesu edelaya kugula oseduze naye. Ngixaka uLazaro naye egula ewumngani wokuphila, kodwa ukugula kwadlula ekuthenini you are a friend of life, bese ukugula kwasondela. But uJesu waqhubeka wadelaya. Khosha Siyoqeda nje kamanje. Our God after the delay. Ngiyamthanda masesondela bathi hey. Bathi hey bathi ubukuphi? Bathi ubukuphi? Bathi ubukuphi? Angathi ngiyambona umuntu okule ndawo useyabuza ukuthi ubukuphi Jesu? Ngiyaqada khona manje. Akathi khona ubuza ukuthi ubukuphi uJesu esimeni sami esingaka. Ngithanda amazwi aJesu athi wo nimbekephi? Awusesiyafana. Uthi uJesu nimbekephi? Akabuzi into eziningi ukuthi ufe kanjani uyazi. He knows your delay. His delay is not denial. Indlela emisile njengamanje uyazi. uJesu njengoba esho nje ethi nimbekephi? Ngathi uthola ithuba lokubukisa. Ngoba uJesu kuso sonke isimo obhekana naso ila athola khona isithuba lokubukisa. Alright. Ngiyafonela uBishop. Ngiyafonela uBishop. Ngimfonela mina ngathi Bishop angisiyi umuntu ophuphayo, not that ngoba ngingena direction. Kodwa yabo lento embono ngingayikhonze kakhulu kodwa ikhona. Ngathi ngilale ngivuke nginephupho. Ngifika elanakho. Ngafika imali i-dust in your house. Ngathi yini le? Ngathi ngiyafika ngathi bayayibala noSisimanana. Ngathi bayibala baqale phansi. But this is what I was glad about. Uthi uBishop kuleli phupho lami. Ngithetheleni ngikhulume ngoBishop. Yes. Uthi uBishop mfana wami njengoba uyibona isifiki. What? Mhlawumbe it was last week ngimfonela wathi njengoba usuyibona nje. Wathi okukade kuyi-delay. Our God after the delay. Awutshela sithi uNkulunkulu wethu emva kokubambezeleka. uNkulunkulu wethu uthi uHabakhuku sengiyehla. Uthi uHabakhuku ucela ungifundele uHabakhuku 2 verse 3. Ayi. uHabakhuku chapter 2 verse 3. Habakhuku verse ngiyayibona into ebizwe lukhumana. Kodwa lwaseGoli uhekiwe. Habakhuku 2 verse 3. Little me and there will come a time when your tears will fall, not because of your troubles, but because God has answered your prayers. There will come a time when your tears will fall, not because you are in trouble, but because God has answered your prayer. Our God after the delay. Usho njalo kuHabakhuku uthi kuzofika isikhathi. I'm here to stand ukuthi ngokufa kwakhe he was declaring lesi sikhathi esikusona ukuthi konke ebesikhulekela, ukuthi konke ebesikufisa. Our God after the delay. Ukudelay bekukhona has come to an end. Our God after the delay. Uthi nimbekephi? Maybe fika bayamkhoma bathi nangu bayabala ukuthi sekunensuku ezingaki. Bayabalwa esimeni sakho sekuyabaleka. Kunalento esibaleka esimeni sakho. Kuthiwa siyamazi kunaloku ashoda ngakho. But igazi lakhe, his blood was shed for us. He died for us. Ukuthi sibe nakho konke. into ayifela ukuthi abe nathi siphambanweni. Indlela yamenza yafa yayizokwenza futhi nathi siphile ngayo. So fika isikhathi uNkulunkulu esephendula konke. I'm here to declare isikhathi sifikile. I'm here to declare ukuthi leso sikhathi sifikile. I know you have doubts ngoba ubuka isimo, but leso sikhathi sesifikile. Akafelanga nje ukuthi wena ube nje, but he died ukuthi wena uphile impilo enhle, impilo echichima. Simshayeleni izandla uNkulunkulu and give God the head.